To export video in Filmora, simply select your own video, add it to your timeline. Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this tutorial video I wanna show you how you can export a video in Filmora video editor. So simply guys, as you can see here, we have this video and I want to export. So simply, as you can see here in the top, we have a button called export. Click there. Okay, here set the name of this exported video. Let's say export 1. Okay, let the settings as a default, as you can see here, and if you can to modify, you can select settings here to modify. Okay, I will let in the default way, then select export. Also guys, you can here, if you want, select any extension you want, movie extension like MP4, WMV, and as you can see there are a lot of extensions here. So when you finish, click export. Okay, find target, that's it, the desktop, export 1. Now we have a video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.